What's going on, everybody? All you comic book fans, comic book enthusiasts, and collectors. This is your boy, Nell from Nell's Comic Hobby, and I am doing a new comic book day haul and a unboxing of a recent purchase of mine. I believe I got this from eBay. So we'll start with the unboxing. I'm trying to remember what I got. I believe it was Darth Vader and Darth Vader 1, Star Wars, and one other one. My dog's back in the background. So, we'll do the unboxing first. Let's see what it is. Nice packaging here. Careful. Alright, let me raise this a little bit higher. So, we'll put this up here. Always exciting to open some new comics that I get. All right, nice Gemini packaging here. Always good to see your comics arriving in Gemini pack. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, looks like some old backboards, old bag and backboards. We'll use this later on when from time to time I'll sell some. So, the first comic we have, oh, okay. Now there's some more tape here, be careful. I'm gonna put new bags and boards anyways, so no big deal. All right, the first one is, yep, just as I thought. Darth Vader, #1. All right. Looks pretty good, like stated in on the auction on eBay. Wait a minute. Let's see this. Let's see. Things sometimes about buying on eBay, they'll say good condition, but see, back cover looks good. Looks good. A little here. A little bit of something here. Looks like, what is that? It's probably from the backboard, the old backboard. Like I said, it looked like it was a old bag and board. Sometimes they just come off with a little scraping, but that was not coming off quite easily. Oh shit. So we'll have to check that out later. Alright, the front cover looks pretty good. Not too bad. Alright, so I am, little corner here, little bend in the corner. Right down here, oh yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little crease here. And a little bit of, oh, see that? Looks like a little bit of the backboard. So, I'm hoping that with a clean and a press, that can come off. Yeah, we'll see. That kind of sucks. I'm not very happy about that. And also up here, the edge, you can see a little nick there. Looks like that can be pressed out. It's not a tear, it's just, I don't know what happened there. But the spine looks good, no ticks. Like I said, maybe a cleaning. Hopefully this can clean off and this crease can be pressed. Here in the back you can see a little bit too. Oh, that sucks. Alright, I'm about to work with that one. And I did get Princess Leia, #1. see what condition this one is in. Oh my God. Are you fucking kidding me? What is this? Wow. Look at that. And that is color breaking. I'm thinking for the price that I got, just the Darth Vader #1, looks like they just threw this in as a incentive to, you know, buy their lot. And it's terrible. That's terrible. That really sucks. Couple ticks here. Yeah. Definitely gonna give them not a good review on eBay. That's terrible. How do you do that? I would never send a comic like this. I'm upset about that. But in light of that, I have new comic book day. Whoop whoop. So I'm happy that, you know, this does make me happier. But yeah, that Princess Leia, that's kind of pissed off about that. BS. All right, here we go. New comic book day. This is a back issue. My Dylan at my comic book shop, he recommended to get it, and I've been wanting to get it, but I missed it last time for whatever reason. They had the #1 left. 2 and 3 are out. I think #3 came out today, but I'm gonna read it first and see if it's worth picking up. So we'll see. Black Sun. I got also Mandalorian. I already picked up a copy yesterday. Hey, quiet. Dogs in the background. I picked up one last week. Just got an extra one. I didn't get this variant or the cover A. And I did get Star Wars High Republic Peach Momoko cover. Beautiful. And of course, Alex Ross covers are coming out. I got the Ultron from Avengers, #66. Sick cover. I like that one. And it's one of my favorites. I was for sure wanting to get this one. Black Cat. Spider-Man, I believe. Is Spider-Man? Oh, Mary Jane and Black Cat, that's right. #4. I'm reading the series. I haven't been caught up with it, but yeah, this is an amazing cover. Love that one. And also got Gambit #1. It's last week's. I'm going to try it out. Also picked up the new Silver Surfer #2. And Alex Ross cover for Scarlet Witch, Mephisto. Excuse me. This is pretty sick. And my other pickup was #1, X-23. And of course, I had to pick up Dark Phoenix, Alex Ross, X-Men 20. Awesome cover. And this awesome Disney homage to Incredible Hulk. Number 21, Amazing Spider-Man. Pick me up another one of these. And dogs are driving me crazy. They have a big wrong time. And of course, Poison Ivy. Beautiful cover. Poison Ivy, they got some awesome covers. I just got this for the cover. And the Joker, The Man Who Stopped Laughing, #6. This cover is sick. I'm gonna definitely go back to my LCS and pick up another copy. My LCS doesn't let us pick up no more than a cover A and then one variant. And that's it. I mean, it's fair, but at least let us get 2. Shit. And I picked up Batman 133. One in, I believe, 15 sick. This is a cover pickup. Catwoman looks freaking amazing. Awesome cover. And I got a back issue of the Berserker. I'm gonna start reading this. I don't have any of them, but I'm gonna try it out. I mean, it's Keanu Reeves, so I gotta start buying the back issues. I just got it because it was a foil. So that is my haul for the day and my disappointing Princess Leia eBay pickup, which I'm pissed about this. How can you freaking ship this out to someone? Total BS, man. It's a shame. Anyways, that's it, folks. Once again, it's your boy Nell from Nell's Comic Hobby, and I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you later.